Hello and welcome to another video brought to you by the SLUH technology team. In this particular video, I'm going to give you a small demo about another app that you're going to be using here at SLUH. That particular app is Notability. One of the first things that you're going to do within Notability is setting it up with your Google account so that any kind of document that you create in Notability will automatically be backed up and synced to your Google Drive. Other advantages is that you can share document with Google Drive and you can retrieve other document from Google Drive. To set up Notability with your personal drive, you're going to click in the bottom left corner. There is a small icon that looks like a wheel. You're going to click on it. We're going to select Google Drive and we're going to log in. As always, the first time that you're going to log on, you're going to log on twice. That's just our system. This time you only type in your username. You're going to click accept. And you're going to click OK for the auto backup. If you want additional settings, you're going to click on the little icon beside Google Drive. Over here, the top line, that's the particular folder where your notes are going to be saved in, the file format in which your notes are going to be saved in, the folder that you're going to be able to back up with the Notability in your Google Drive. So these are the steps to set up your Google Drive with Notability. Okay, so Notability is divided into areas. The area on the left, these are the folder that you have or that are created within Notability. And then there on the right, there's going to be a collection of notes that you're going to create. To create a new folder, you're going to click the plus and you're going to create a new subject. Let's call it history. I'm going to click return. The histories folder is created. So in this particular folder, maybe you're going to save all of your history note. So how do we going to create a new note? On the top right, there is an icon. It looks like a little pencil on a piece of paper. We're going to click on it. You're going to see that that note is automatically named with the date that you're going to create. There are a few items on the top that I'm going to discuss with you. The first one is going to be your T. The T allows you to actually type within Notability. If you click anywhere on the screen, you can see that the keyboard will appear on the bottom. This allows you to actually type in Notability. There are few options on the typing for that particular keyboard. The type of fonts that you can use, the size of the font, the color, bold, italic, and underline. You can save different style as your favorite, A, B, or C. Just beside the T, the text icon, there is a little icon that looks like a pencil. Let's click on it. This particular icon, now you can actually use your finger or your stylus to write on your iPad. If you click a little bit harder, you're going to be able to change the color of your pencil. You're going to be able to change the style of your marking. So now you can type using a different color and style. Right beside the pencil, there is the highlighter color. This will allow you to highlight particular area of text that you have on Notability. Like the pencil, if you click on it, allows you to change the color of your highlight and change the format of your highlights. Beside the highlighter, there is your little eraser. The eraser allows you to actually erase text or erase pencil that you just written on your Notability. I'm going to write something again. The scissor beside, it's like an editing tool. Some of the things that you can do if you circle maybe a particular text and you press on it, it gives you the option that you can change the style. Maybe you want to change the color of the text or the size of your text. Allows you the option to, maybe you want to cut, copy it, delete it. You can delete all your text at one time. Now we are going to undo that. The other thing you can do with a scissor is, if you have a particular size of text, with two finger in and out, you can pinch out, you can rotate the text, you can make it bigger or you can make it smaller, you can move it on a particular side of the screen. Next to the scissor, there is a little one finger pointing. This allows you to pan on your screen and to move your scrolling up and down. A few more items that I would like to show you. One, on the top right corner, you can see there is an icon that looks like a microphone. It is actually a microphone, and it will allow you to make comment or record the notes on Notability. Then you're going to see there is a plus sign. If you click on the plus sign, you're given the option to attach a picture, photo, something that a photo that is already in your gallery, or take a picture and adding a web clip. These are the three that I would like to show you. If you click on the photo and you click on recently added, you can select a picture. You can manipulate that picture by making it bigger or smaller. If by accident you click somewhere else on the screen and you cannot move the picture anymore, if you click on the scissor and you press on the picture, you now can manipulate again that picture. This will come in handy if maybe you want to use a picture and make correction, or maybe you want to make an annotation to a particular picture that you found. The other option is to actually take a picture. This will turn on your camera, and in your case you can now take an additional picture. You can say use photo, and the picture now appears on the screen. Like before, you can manipulate the picture, making it smaller or bigger. Lastly, I would like to show you how to insert a web clip. A web clip basically is just a snapshot of a website that you visited. Click on the plus sign. Let's click web clip. Now we click done. And as before, we can move, we can organize our web clip anywhere we want on the screen. You can make the picture smaller, the web clip smaller or bigger, and you can move it around the screen. Something that I mentioned at the beginning of this video was when we sync your Notability with Google Drive for auto backup. This is a really nice feature of Notability, but there are some other advantages. One of the advantages is now that your note is synced with your Google Drive, you can actually save your particular note to a different portion in your Google Drive. Maybe this is an assignment that you need to save to a shared folder for your teacher. You will select the folder where you want to send that particular assignment. Or maybe you can email that particular assignment to one of your teacher. If we go back to the main screen by clicking the small arrow on the top left corner, once we're on the main screen, if you look on the top right, you're going to see that beside the icon that allows you to create a new note, there is a small icon with a down arrow. This will allow you to import a note from your Google Drive, a note that you already have created, into Notability. The note that you are going to import can either create a brand new document or can be imported in an existing Notability document. Thank you for watching, and look for another video by the SLUH technology team.